trust me, the forex market is one of the biggest avenue that a whole lot of persons are actually making money in this 21st century. Okay. But you know what? One of the challenges or some of the challenges of the forex market is that a whole lot of persons don't really know how to analyze the market. Okay. They don't know how to analyze the market. They don't know how to place trade. They don't know how to take profit or how to close their trade. So in this video, basically, I'm going to be showing you how you can copy trade professional traders. Okay. Now you might want to ask me, what exactly is copy trading? Right? Now, copy trading is the ability for you to copy the trade of professional forex trader. And whenever they place a trade, they're going to place the trade for on your behalf. Whenever they take profit, they're going to take profit on your behalf. Whenever they take losses, they take losses on your accounts also. Okay. But trust me, I'm going to be showing you in this video how you'll be able to find the suitable professional profit-making forex trader through copy trading. Okay. So if that sounds good and you want to get more in depth of how this actually works, make sure you watch this video right from the beginning to the end so you don't get to miss any part of it. Okay, that sounds good. Let's get into the video proper. Let me show you how to go about this. Let's go. Okay, so as you can rightly see on my screen here, this is a platform of XM. Okay, XM trading, right? And if you check here, you can see this is their copy trading, right? Now, if you go up here, you can see they say trade like an expert. Now, in this case, you don't have to be an expert for you to be able to trade, okay? Because we have the experts here that all you just need to do is for you to copy their trade, okay? And you can see some statistics here, which I'm not going to be going into, okay? But basically, you can see some of those stuff up here, okay? You can see features, you can see best performance. This actually shows you traders that has the best performance on this platform. You can see most invested. This shows you traders that have the most invested funds, okay? With high win rate, traders that has high win rate, low risk, and all that, okay? So let me quickly come here and show you something here, right? Now, if I come up here, you're going to see some figures here. Let me come up here, okay? So if you check up here, you're going to see some figures here where we have best performance, high win rates, high own funds, low risk, low drawdown, low fee, and most popular, right? This actually shows you the different kinds of professional traders we have on this platform. Traders that are of high win ratio. Okay, these guys, they take very big risk and also their win rate is very, very high. Okay, now this other one that you see, high own funds, these are traders that have their own funds in this business as well, and their funds, they are going to be showing it to you. Low risk and low drawdown, this shows you traders that are very, very conservative. Okay, now these are traders that are very concerned about your funds. They don't just want to blow up your funds, they want to make sure they are very conservative on how they manage your funds. And then you're going to see low fees. These are traders that their fees are very, very low for you. What they charge you for the profit they make for you is very, very low, and you're going to see most popular. Okay, now let me come down here and show you some things that you need to pay attention to if you're going to be copying anyone on this platform. Okay, now take a look at these returns. Now for this particular guy, you can see he has made over 41% in the last 1 month here. Okay, if you check this other guy, this guy has made over 26% in the last 1 month. Okay, now look at the minimum investment you can put with this guy is $3,500. That is his own minimum. Okay, now it's not peculiar to all the traders. All the traders, they have their different minimum amount you can invest with them. For this other one, you can say you can invest for as little as $100. You can start investing with this guy. Now look at the fees this guy is going to charge. He's going to charge you 35%. Now this 35% is going to be from the profit he's going to make for you, not from your capital. Okay, he's going to charge you 35%, and you can see the number of investors, eight, and you can see his drawdown is 37%, which is a bit high for me. You can see the drawdown of this one is 52%. It's also high for me. Okay, now you have to pay attention to all those figures you are seeing here, because these are the determinant factors on who you're going to be copying. Okay, you see these investors, this shows the number of persons that are following or that has invested with this particular trader. Okay, is something you have to pay attention to, right? For me, if the minimum is less than 10, I don't go there, because the minimum has to be 10. Okay, from 10 upward, it shows that okay, a whole lot of other persons actually trust the trading strategy of this guy. Okay, like for this, you can see this guy has over 140 146 investors, 146 persons that have invested their funds with this guy. I think it's a good one. And if you check out the total AUM, asset under management, is $31,000. That is the number of funds that his copiers have invested is $31,000. And if you check out his own funds, it's also 1,400. Now, his own funds is going to give you also some form of assurance or guarantee that this person is also involved in this business, okay? Not that it's just using other people's money to trade alone. So you can see these are things you need to consider. Well, I wouldn't want to make this video too lengthy, so let me just quickly show you how to find the right professional trader for you to copy, okay? For me, I don't go with best performance. I don't go with high win rate. I don't go with high own funds. I go with low risk and also low drawdown. Okay, because like I rightly said, these are guys that are very conservative. They are very, very concerned about your funds. They don't just want to blow up your funds because it's not there. No, no, no. These guys. So you're going to click on this low drawdown. Okay. Now we click on this low drawdown. I'm going to be showing you some stuff here. Okay. Now if you check out here, you can see for this guy, he has made over 535% in the last 1 month. This one has made over 146% in the last 1 month. But now look at this guy. This guy has over $31,000 of assets under his management. Okay, and you can look at his own funds. His own funds is almost $12,000 that he has invested for himself. Okay, then you look at his fee. It's just going to charge you only 5% of fee from the interest is going to make for you, the profit is going to make for you. It's going to charge you only 5%. Now, look at his investors are 14, okay, which is above average that I told you. For me is let it just be more than 10, okay. He has 14 here, and you look at his drawdown very low, which is just 13%, okay. So now you can see the reasons why I told you that this low drawdown is very, very good, okay. They make profit at the same time. The risk they take are very, very minimal. But look at this other guy, is also very good, okay. But you can see the reason why I will not follow this guy is because he has just only 4 investors, okay. And also if you check out his asset under management, is just only $800. And if you check his fee is high. He's charging as high as 45% of the profit is going to be making for you. So I'm not going to go with this kind of person. Now you can go down, there are a whole lot of them here. You can check and see the one that actually suits your appetite, okay. But for me, just to make this video kind of a bit short, okay, I'm just going to use this guy as an example, okay. I've checked all the parameters here and they actually align with my appetite. They align with the kind of strategy I actually want. Then I'm going to click on it, okay. Now when you click on it, it's going to show you more details about the particular trader, okay. For this particular guy, you can see here trading solely SAUUSD. He is telling you that a trade just basically gold, SAUSD. That is what he trades, okay. So if you come down here, you're also going to be finding out that the minimum amount you can invest with him is $500. Now, mind you, I said different traders actually determine how much they want as their own minimum. For him, he says his own is $500. If you're okay with it, good and fine, okay. Then you're just going to come down here and find out some statistics also about the trader. Now, for this particular trader, if you check here, over the period of time, the guy have taken 486 trades, right? And he won 459 trade and lost only 27 trade. I think this statistics is very good for me, okay. This statistics is good, and you can see 373% win rates. Then you can see 179.9 lost trade. I think it's very good. See, one thing you should know is this: forex traders, almost all forex traders make losses at one point or the other, okay. And also if you check out his graph, it's showing red here. I checked this actually 3 days ago and it was all green, but let me quickly show you and the reason why it's showing this red here. See, it took some trade recently here, which is on the 17th, okay, just about 2 days before me making this video, a day before making this video. I can see here he made some losses here, okay. But if you go to his close trade, his past trade, you will see that almost all his trade are in green, like he's been making profit consistently. The profits he made is actually more than the losses he has made so far. So for me, I think this guy is actually good, okay. Remember I told you it must not be this particular trader, okay. You can decide to do your research and find any other trader, but I'm just showing an example, okay. So this trader, after checking all these parameters and I feel it's okay for me, okay, all I need to do now is to make sure I make deposit into the account, okay, into your trading, your copy trading account. So you're just going to click on this button here. It's going to take you through the process of you doing your deposit. You just go ahead, click on this deposit, and you'll be able to make deposit into the account, okay? Then for you to copy this trader, you're just going to click on here. Like remember, I say it's not I'm not particular about this trader. It could be any other trader, but for you to copy the trader, you just click on this copy button here. Now, this is where you'll be able to copy the trader. You can go through this and read through this, but I'm not going to do that for the want of time, okay? But here you're just going to see the parameters of how you can start copying this trader, okay? So you can see here, like I rightly said, the minimum for this particular trader is $500, okay? Then you can see his own invested fund here. Now, you have two different kinds of copy that you can do here. You can either use the investment amount or the fixed multiplier. I will advise you to stay away from this fixed multiplier because that will actually disrupt the method that the professional trader or the master copy trader has put in place already. Okay, if you just want to follow exactly the strategy of the master copy trader, then you just click on this investment amount. Okay, you put in the amount you want here. If you want to put 10,000, 2,000, 1,000, you put it here, but the minimum is going to be $500. Okay, they're just going to come down here. Now, if you come down here, you're going to see two buttons here, which is take profit and stop loss. I would advise you to stay away. Don't click on any of this because if you click on this take profit, okay, it means that you're going to put your own take profit here and it will not are no longer aligned with the strategy of the master copy trader. Okay, so just leave it off the way it is. Okay, now this is how this stuff actually works. You're not going to be taking the trade yourself. Now, when the master copy trader takes a trade, the system is going to look at the amount of funds that you have in your account and is going to take the lot size proportionate to the amount of money you have in your account. Okay, so whenever it closes the account, it takes profit. Automatically, you're going to take profit in your own account. Okay, all you just need to do is to log into your account every single time that you want to check it out and see how much they've made for you or how much losses they've made. Now, remember, this is forex market and anything can happen. Okay, it's a very volatile market. Actually, you can make profit, but at the same time, you can make losses. Okay, that is why you have to make sure you do your due diligence, do your research to find the right trader that is good for you to copy. Okay, so after you must have put in all those necessary stuff in here, you just come down here and you click on copy. Okay, now when you copy, all you just need to do is to go sit back, relax, and come at interval to check the performance of your invested funds on this platform. Okay, so that is how copy trading actually works. Okay, you don't need to lift a finger. All you just need to do is to look for the right trader that suits your risk appetite. Okay,